In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Google Forms summary of responses. To begin, open your form in Google Forms. Make sure you are viewing the form in edit mode, not the public link that people use to submit answers. In the editor, you will see several tabs across the top. Click the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms organizes everything that has been submitted, including the automatic charts and the summary view. From the Responses area, click View in Sheets. This opens a connected Google Sheets spreadsheet that stores your form responses in a clear table. If this is the first time you are opening it, Google may create a new spreadsheet for you. If one already exists, it will open the existing file. This spreadsheet is useful because it is easy to share, and it can be viewed by others without giving them access to edit your form itself. Once the spreadsheet opens, go to the top left, just under the title, and click File. This is the main menu where you can share or send the sheet in different ways. In the File menu, hover over Email, then click Email this file. This option prepares an email with the spreadsheet attached, so your recipients can receive the data directly. A message window will appear. Enter the recipients in the address field. Use the correct email addresses for the people who should receive the responses. Next, fill in the subject line so the email is easy to recognize later, such as a short description of the form or the date range of responses. You can also add a brief message in the body of the email. Keep it clear and specific, especially if you send this to a group so everyone understands what the attachment contains. Before sending, take a moment to confirm you are sharing the right file, especially if you manage more than one form. When everything looks correct, click Send. Google will email the spreadsheet file to the recipients you listed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.